Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off the screen touches in screen recording. So first you should go to the notification panel and here find this screen recorder icon. Now just to launch screen recorder settings, hold for a while the screen recorder icon, and here on the right upper corner you will see the settings icon. Just go there and scroll down to the recording options, and just to show your touches in screen recording, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. So simply, right? And if you want to just turn off your touches in screen recording, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.